More or less. It's time for the enormous apple. I've been cleaning this 55-gallon drum. The first step in any winemaking is to clean everything. Take a 5-gallon barrel. You only need 2 gallons of water. Here you go, all your tools go in, everything gets sanitized. A large amount of sanitizer, about 6 gallons. I'm sanitizing the inside of the container. Trying to collect all these apples. This is a whole upright freezer. It's full of chopped and frozen. At least I did most of my fruit preparation first. So basically all I need to do now is find out how many pounds of apples. I have a handy dandy scale. Any guesses as to how much this weighs? Alright, well, I weigh a whopping 160. It's almost 200. This is 40 pounds. This is 40 pounds of apples. I still have that. Scale says 150 pounds. You can see that I got apples of all kinds. I've got green ones, I've got red ones, we picked Macintosh, we picked, I don't know, all the types. Red Delicious, picked Granny Smith. Now there's a very busy stove. So I found out I don't have a potato masher. So I'm going to make these fucking things work. 2 and 3 start sooner because they're the large ones. And as you can see here, this is the time when I started the hot top and the time they started boiling. 1 and 4 hasn't started boiling. Each one of them will boil for 20 minutes. Some of the sugar has to be worked on since we're boiling. If there's room, I'm going to boil sugar. I need to get through all the sugar. It doesn't matter how I cook it, as long as it is cooked. It needs to be in the soup. That's what I'm making, is a holy fucking shit that's hot. Alright. I'm going to need a place for these cooked apples in 10 minutes, right? And that's strong, if you want to smell it.
Please don't drop.
Alright. No problem. I'll get them up, and the idea is, check it out. Super quick rinse. Those are going through the straining bag. We're going to continue to cook apples and sugar until that has been cooked. Yeah, that's a lot of fucking apples, isn't it? All of the apples have been cooked. One side of the straining bag came down. I got some fruit in the bottom, that's okay. It'll come out later. Now I'm melting the sugar. The only thing I have left is 25 pounds. At 5:30 in the morning, as you can see, I have done a reckless amount of damage to the stovetop. I was cooking for hours. I'm mopping everything. I gotta mop the walls. Look. I'm trying to remove as much of the apple material. So I'll use my regular straining bag. Just try to strain these out and get rid of some of the extra apple chunks. I'm taking my 50 Camden tablets and I am going to add this pile of crushed powder to the big batch. Nice. Fucking blow this thing up with tape. It doesn't have to be sealed airtight, but the tighter it is, the more focused the sulfur gas will be. Got it open. For fuck's sake, I finally got it open. 1.110. 1.110. 15%. It's about 100 degrees. Okay.
Hi.
Bye. Now look at this fucking yeast.
Oh my god.
Come see a magic trick. Yeah.
Okay, I'll take me a shower.
Damn, this thing is crazy. From 3%, and then I added 25 pounds of sugar, went to 8%. It's actually above the fucking barrel in the middle. Oh, here's the setup anyway. Strain this batch bag by bag into clean bucket, into sanitized barrel. Oh. In you go. I'm so glad I got this funnel instead of the... Well, I got them both, but the one with the small, pointy end, it would never handle that. This is nice. It's a jar funnel. It's for mason jars.
Clean up, clean.
You can help me windowsill mop.
Haven't actually yet.
Have you? That worked out. You can see an extremely active vapor lock. This is just the top of, I dressed it up here. This is the enormous apple. So besides what we've seen here, this batch is going to sit like this for months to come until I do some siphoning, to leave some sludge behind, cleaning it up. Bottling much later, I expect the middle of September. So thanks for watching me put this together. That's all. Tried to be short and to the point about it.